Maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. Kumusta? Ako day si Kara. Ug karong adlaw diri sa video ngani, tudloan ta mo og basic Bisaya words and phrases. Oh, wait. Someone is calling. It's my friend Ella. Uy, hello! Maayong buntag! Maayong buntag means good morning. Maayong buntag. Maayong buntag. Sorry I called so sudden. Are you doing something right now? Well, sort of. I'm teaching my friends right here basic Bisaya words and phrases. Uy, ganahan ko ana. Apil ko diha. Sure. But wait, nikaon na ka? That means, have you eaten already? I already did. Nikaon na kog pamahaw. Pamahaw means breakfast. Ikaw? That's good. I also ate breakfast. Asa man kamukaon nagpaniudto og panihapon? Paniudto is lunch. Paniudto. Panihapon is dinner. Panihapon. I'm asking her where she's going to eat lunch and dinner. Diri sa balay. Balay means house. I really enjoy my mom's cooking. Lami kaayo. That means super delicious. Yeah, nothing beats her mom's cooking. Always the best. Ay, sige nga na jud ko niya. And that means I really miss her. Which reminds me, Kara, the reason why I called was to invite you over to eat later. Anhidiri. Anhidiri means come over here. Wow, really? I would love to. Sige, buwanha ko dira unya. I'll go there later. Everything's settled then. Pag-amping ha? Pag-amping means take care. See you, Kara. Pag-amping pod. That means take care too. Bye, Ella. Well, I guess I have to say goodbye to you too. We gotta get ready for later. I hope you learned something from us today. Until then, pag-amping pod mo, ug magkit-anay ta sa sunod nga basic Bisaya words and phrases. Daghang salamat!